and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 11th, 2019, and I'm going to be planting some carrot seeds today. Now, I have these bins here already prepared, these containers here, and I have one right here. Now, what I did was I put some Epsom salt in here, some bone meal, and I used some Epsom tomato tone plant food. I'll have links down in the description for the plant foods that I use. Now the bone meal, phosphorus helps to feed the root system, so that's why I added bone meal to this. And then the Epsom tomato tone, that will help to feed and establish the root systems. One thing with growing carrots, you do not want to get a high nitrogen food for them, because everything will go into the foliage and nothing will go into the root systems. So I'm going to mix my plant food up here. And this is a mix of compost and old potting mixes. And we found that carrots actually grow better in containers than they do in the ground. Now, carrots like to be weed free, so go ahead and get any weeds out that you see. Let's get this all mixed up here. And carrots need a nice soft ground to grow in. So I have this all mixed in now, and I'm just going to take my watering can here and I'm gently going to water the top. Now the reason why I'm doing that is so my carrot seeds actually will stick to the planting mix. Let that drain. And for your carrots, you want to have nice soft ground. You don't want hard ground. Most of your carrots don't grow too good in hard ground. And I'm going to be planting 3 different varieties this year. I'm going to be planting the Heirloom Cosmic Purple and the Danvers Half Long. And I'm also going to be trying the, I believe it's Sweet and Short. Now that's a new one. I just found the seeds for that one, so I'm going to be testing that one out this year. It only gets to about 4 inches long, so I'm going to be putting that in with the lettuce, so that the roots won't grow too long, but we still should get some carrots out of them. So I have my little tag here. I have a link down in the description for these. I really like these. You can bend them and they're not breaking, and I already have it labeled what I'm putting on it, and the date's already on there for when I planted them. So I'm just going to stick this in here so I know what it is. So this is what carrot seeds look like here. Now the wind's blowing a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't blow them out of the container. And one thing that you don't want to do is get your carrots planted too close together. So I have my carrot seeds here, and I'm just sticking them in here, and I'm just pressing it right into the soil surface. Because this particular variety here, the Cosmic Purple, they want you to surface sow them. And I am leaving space in between them so that they're not too close together. Now these will get fed with another product after they start coming up called Sea Magic. And that's an organic product made out of seaweed. And I really like it. It really helps your plants to take off and grow. So I'm going to finish planting these here, and then I will come back and talk to us a little bit more. So we'll be back. Okay, so I got all of these planted, and I am going to be looking to get more of our containers out. I'm pretty sure we have more of these to plant more carrots. So the Denver carrots tell you to cover them with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of soil. So I have my carrot seeds in here, and I tried to really space them so that everything had room to grow. And I have some of the same compost and soil that was used for the containers. So I'm just going over the tops of these, which I'll get more soil here, and putting a light coating over them. So I've never figured out why the cosmic purple carrots said to plant the seeds on top, but that's what the pack says, and that's how I plant them, and they come up for me. So I'm going to finish covering this one here, and then I will come back and I will show you what to do next. Okay, so I got these two here all covered, and I'm just going to take my watering can and water the top of the soil now. And I'll get some more for this one over here then. Now, for the cosmic purple carrots, what I'm going to do with these is, because you don't cover them, I'm just going to give them a gentle mister spray to keep the seeds nice and moist so that they germinate for me. And these should start germinating in about 8 to 12 days. Now that can vary depending on the variety. And I have heard of people already planting radishes in with their carrots to help break the soil up so that the carrot seeds can sprout. I've never done that, but maybe that's why they have that you plant the cosmic carrot seeds on top, so that they don't have an issue breaking through the soil. So I will show you some carrots that we actually already have growing. So I'll be right back. And these are some of the carrots that we planted, and they're coming up in one of our raised beds. Now these are growing in with red beets. So I just wanted to show you these over here. Now these here are the cosmic purple carrots, and this container has the compost in with it, and we will be feeding it then with the same stuff that I fed the carrots in the containers that I just planted. The same plant food. And this was actually made out of the landscaper's fabric, and then it has wire around it. So these were planted, I think, in April. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think they were planted in April. And these do need weeded, so we'll be taking the weeds out, and these are growing in with red beets. So I just wanted to show you these over here. Now these here are the cosmic purple carrots, and this container has the compost in with it, and we will be feeding it then with the same stuff that I fed the carrots in the containers that I just planted. The same plant food. And this was actually made out of the landscaper's fabric, and then it has wire around it. So these were planted, I think, in April. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think they were planted in April. And these do need weeded, so we'll be taking the weeds out, and So So as these continue to grow and start germinating, I will come back with more videos and I will show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye!